I thought dihybrid cross. Do you know that monohybrid cross means mono means one, di means two. So Mendel's taken or focus two characters, two characters to separate genes from this, each with two alleles, each with two alleles. So that is the dihybrid class. Di means two, mono means one. So Mendel's focused on this two different characters, two different characters. That is the dihybrid class. A breeding experiments taking into account of two characters at the same time. Two characters the same time is called a dihybrid cross. Is called a dihybrid cross. Mendel performed such as experimental taking two characters form of the seed or color of the cotyledons. Two characters. Form of a seed, one character. Color of the cotyledons, one character. He crashed pure plants producing yellow round seeds with that producing wrinkled green seeds. So Mendel's found all the seeds of F1 generation have yellow rounded seeds, F1 plants. And self-pollination produced four kinds of plants in F2 generation. So that ratio is 9 is to 3 is to 1. 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. So in monohybrid cars, two laws it will be proposed by Mendel. The law of dominance, law of segregation. Dihybrid class proposed by this law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. When two pairs of characters are combined in hybrid, the segregation of this one pair of characters is coming from the thus in the parent. So these characters are independent to this other pair of characters. Independent to this other pair of characters means independent. So it is that yellow rounded form a seed color of the cotyledons. So form a seed means it is a yellow rounded, green rounded and cotyledons, yellow cotyledons, green cotyledons. It is independently at the time of this meiosis. Many will possible combinations are here at the time of this gamete formation. Independent assortments, it is based on this genetic diversity. So it is individually produced the gametes formation. The gametes are dissimilar. So it is independent assortment of here. At the time of this maternal and paternal members, pairs of distributed gametes, all are possible chromosome combinations are here. So at the time the genetic variations are here in sexually reproducing organisms due to independently assortment and genetic variation takes place with the important evolution. So evolution ku romba important ஆன என்னது independent assortment and genetic variation. It is increasing this process of evolution. So the law of segregation concerned with law of segregation asked that the alleles of one gene, alleles of one gene. So law of segregation is alleles of one gene, but the law of independent deals with relationship between the genes. ஸோ லா ஆஃப் செக்ரேஷன் என்ன செஞ்சு ஒரே ஒரு ஜீனை மட்டும்தான் என்ன செஞ்சுன்னா எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுச்சு, ஜீன் மட்டும் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஆனால் பட் லா ஆஃப் இண்டிபெண்ட் அசார்ட்மெண்ட் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் பிட்வீன் ஜீன்ஸ். ஸோ ஆர் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஸோ த கிராசிங் ஆஃப் த டூ டிஃபரிங் pairs of contrasting traits, that is called this dihybrid cross. Two characters, first color and shape, that is two character, color one character, shape one character, consider at a same time. Okay, so the seed shape round and wrinkled and cotyledon color is yellow and green. So two characters, seed shape capital R is dominant and wrinkled and over for recessive character is smaller. Cotyledon color is yellow is dominant and over this green. It's a pure breeding yellow parent. It is represented by this parent. Genotype is capital O, capital Y, and pure breeding green wrinkled parent is capital This one. Capital O, capital O, capital Y, capital Y. This is the homozygous round seeded yellow cotyledon, homozygous wrinkled seed green cotyledons. Yeah. So at the time of this meiosis, the gamete or it will be segregated from the parent, capital O, capital Y, small or small y. So heterozygous, at the time of this F1 generation, heterozygous. So what will happen at the round seeders, yellow cotyledons, round seeders, yellow cotyledons, it will be produced for the gametes, cysteines. Four types of gametes are produced. It will be selfed, selfed if one generation. What will happen? 16 types of this phenotypes and genotypes are here. So, law of independent assortment. The factors of each characters are distributed into gametes independently of the factors of any other character or any one of pair of characters may combine with any one of the another pair. Any one of the another pair. So, example, as a result of cross between homozygous plants having the round and yellow seeds with the plants having wrinkled green seeds. Small r, small r, small y, small y. All the F1 plants are genotypes capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. When this are selfed, it is selfed. The factors for two characters are assigned or separate independently of each other or may enter the gamete either with capital Y or small y. Similarly, small r also may enter the gamete with capital Y or small y. Thus, four types of gametes are produced: capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, and capital small r, small y are formed. The male and female gametes could combine in 16 different ways. 16 different ways to produce seeds of four different phenotypes F2 generation. So F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. So understand, we used for this gametes in this that checkerboard. Crossing with this. So 16 ways it is possible. So the yellow rounded 9, yellow wrinkled 3, green wrinkled 3, green wrinkled 1. So the four types of gametes, the F1 gametes, uniquely, randomly it will be fused. So what will happen? 16 types of individuals in the F2 generation. The 9 is to 3 is to 1 ratio. 9 is to 3 is to 1 ratio. So used for this that checkerboard. So, based on probability including the segregation, independent assortment and random fertilization, the sexually producing organism plants, codon human beings, codon to human beings, Mendel's findings, foundation of for understanding inheritance and evolution due to biology. Dihybrid cross results in Mendel's to propose the second set of generations we call as Mendel's law of independent assortment. Second generations means the first generation is F1 generation. The second generation it will be followed by this law of independent assortment. So you understand? So this is that chromosomes and diploid parental genotypes, capital R, small capital Y. That is a round yellow cotyledons and wrinkled green cotyledons. Small r, small y. So haploid gametes are here. Capital R, capital Y, small y. That F1 generation is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This will be self. What will happen? So 16 ways is possible. 9 is to 3 is to 1. This is the checkerboard. This is the checkerboard of this. That is the gametes. capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Sorry, understand? So this is the dihybrid class. This is the dihybrid class. So this is the analytical or molecular explanation of protein is called this protein called as starch balancing enzymes are here in this wild type in the capital R which is dominant. Wild type of allele is present in this capital R which is dominant. When the seeds are mature, the enzymes is SPEI catalyzed formation of highly branched starch molecules are here. And the small r homozygous mutant form of this. So this is the recessive. It is activity of this enzyme is will be lost. SBEI is a enzyme. So next dihybrid test cross. Dihybrid test cross. Do you know that test cross means whenever this F1 generation is crossed with parent. Yeah, when the individuals is crossed with the parent, this is called as test cross. So dihybrid test cross means they will crossed with this parent. Sorry, test cross means crossed with recessive individuals. It is crossed with recessive individuals. Small r, small y, small y. So that is phenotypic ratio and regional-phenotypic ratio is 1:1:1:1. That is the dihybrid test cross. So you understand? Dihybrid test cross. F1 hybrid plant is crossed with homozygous double recessive genotype. Because of this is a dihybrid. So double recessive genotype wrinkled green pears. This is called dihybrid test cross with the ratio is 1:1:1. So this is the phenotypes of parent plants. Heterozygous round pears, homozygous wrinkled pears. Yellow cotyledon and green cotyledon. Capital R, capital Y, small y. Small r, small y, small y. This is the recessive parent. And produce this for gametes is 1:1:1:1 ratio is kept in the dihybrid test cross.